Hey everyone, Andrew here in the training center. Wanted to talk to you about one item that we carry at RI Lampus. It is our wood burning fireplace insert that works and is designed to work with our Country Stone product. Just want to talk to you about a couple features on this unit that make construction very quick, very clean, and efficient for your companies. Probably the most important is this built-in steel lintel. It's a 1/4 inch steel lintel that's bent to create that opening, carry the weight of the Country Stone, and bridge that opening for a very long time. It's powder coated black, comes with a log rack. Like I said, a wood burning fireplace by design. Made for a 34.5 inch opening. It works very well with the Country Stone dimensions, working around a 36 overall inch opening. If you come up top, it's designed to work with our 12 by 16 by 24 flute pipe, which would be terracotta. Also has a lifting rod in here for a strap or chain for setting it on that feature build. If you have a client that's looking to build a fireplace in their outdoor living area, this item might be something to consider to help with the efficiencies on that job site.